In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take Google Meet screenshots in 2025. Whether you're capturing important meeting moments, documenting discussions, or simply saving something for later, knowing how to take screenshots during a Google Meet session can be incredibly useful. Let's walk through the steps together. First things first, fire up your browser and head on over to Google Meet. You can do this by typing meet.google.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, ensure you're signed in with your Google account to access all the features available to you. Next, you'll want to locate the Google Apps menu, often referred to as the waffle icon because of its grid-like appearance. You can find this icon in the top right corner of the Google homepage or while you're in Google Meet. Click on it, and a drop-down menu with various Google services will appear. Now scroll through this menu of apps until you find the Chrome Web Store. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the Chrome Web Store, where extensions, themes, and plugins abound. Once you're in the store, you'll need to look for a suitable extension to help you capture screenshots during your meetings. In the search bar located at the top right-hand corner, type in screenshot and hit enter. This search will give you a list of extensions that you can add directly to your Chrome browser. Now it's time to review the options. You'll see a list of various screenshot extensions, each offering its own set of features. Scroll through the list, paying attention to user ratings and reviews, as these can give you a good sense of what to expect from each extension. You might also want to consider what specific features are most important to you, such as ease of use, or the ability to capture a full screen versus just the visible area. After you've chosen an extension that you feel suits your needs, click on it and then select the Add to Chrome button. This will prompt the extension to download and automatically install into your browser. Once installed, it's typically accessible from the toolbar at the top of your browser window. Voila! You're now equipped with an extension that allows you to effortlessly capture screenshots during a Google Meet session. Simply open Google Meet, start or join a meeting, and use the extension to take screenshots whenever you need. So there you have it. With these steps, capturing screenshots during Google Meet sessions has become a straightforward process. Whether you're documenting information, sharing insights, or simply keeping a visual record, these screenshots can be a valuable resource. Happy screenshotting!